Shabbos eyeliner comes in 3 colors. We have the top one is the Black Magic, the second one is Green Velvet, which is more of a slate green, and the bottom is Deep Blue Sea, which is a really deep, deep blue. When you get your eyeliner, I always recommend, instead of peeling back the tape that covers the holes, you take a safety pin and puncture one of the holes. This allows you to control the mess because you only really need a little bit at a time. Then you tap a little bit of product out into the lid, and it really, really does work best with our tapered eyeliner brush because the brush bristles are really stiff and allows you to pick up product and really apply it nicely. Always going to want to start with your eye because during application there can often be a little bit of fallout, and it's just easier to clean that up before continuing to the rest of your face. Taking the angle of the brush, put it flush against your eyelashes and apply a line, a line, and a line. This allows you to deposit product before you blend it. Again, a tip that really helps minimize the mess. And what I like to do after is blend them 3 together like this. And then I can continuously build up till I get my desired thickness or darkness. It is definitely a very buildable product. Shabbos makeup normally can only be applied on top of a clean, dry face of any other previous makeup. But there is an exception to that. When you apply liquid or gel eyeliner before Shabbos, on Shabbos, you can touch that up with our Shabbos eyeliner. The reason is because a liquid and gel eyeliner is a very drying product. When you touch it, there will be no transfer to your hand. So when you apply the Shabbos eyeliner on top of it, it won't cause it to stick to or last longer the same way it would with a creamy pencil. And when the Shabbos eyeliner comes off, you'll have whatever product broken up that you had on underneath, that will still be there. And you can continuously touch up that eyeliner with our Shabbos eyeliner, or you can just apply it alone and enjoy it by itself.